Did you know these 5 simple isometric holds can help rebuild strength, improve stability, and support your joints without putting extra stress on them? Do these daily, and you may start feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident within days. The 5th one is the most important. Skip it, and your lower body strength may continue declining without you even realizing it. Number 1, horse stance hold. This simple position has been used for generations to build powerful legs, strong joints, and lasting stability. The horse stance strengthens multiple muscle groups at the same time while improving endurance and balance. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Point your toes slightly outward and lower your hips into a comfortable squat position. Keep your chest upright and hold. Start with 20 to 30 seconds. Your legs will burn. They may even shake. That's exactly how you build the kind of strength that helps you stay independent for years to come. Number 2, wall sit hold. Most people think strength only comes from movement, but sometimes the fastest way to rebuild strength is by holding a position and letting your muscles do the work. The wall sit strengthens your thighs, glutes, and the muscles that support your knees. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back against a wall and slowly slide down into a comfortable sitting position. Keep your chest upright and your feet flat on the floor. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Your legs may start shaking. That's a sign the muscles are waking up and getting stronger. Number 3, glute bridge hold. Years of sitting can slowly switch your glutes off. When that happens, your knees and lower back often take over, leading to weakness and instability. The glute bridge hold reactivates those powerful muscles. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. You'll feel the back of your hips working hard, helping rebuild the strength needed for walking, climbing stairs, and staying balanced. Number 4, standing calf raise hold. Weak calves can make your entire lower body feel less stable. They act like shock absorbers every time you walk, climb stairs, or stand up. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Rise onto your toes and hold the top position. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds. You'll feel your lower legs working immediately, helping improve balance and stability with every step. Number 5, seated knee extension hold. One of the first muscles to weaken after 50 is the front of the thigh. And when that muscle weakens, standing and climbing stairs become much more difficult. Sit tall in a chair and slowly extend one leg straight out in front of you. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds before switching sides. You'll feel the thigh muscles working intensely, helping rebuild the strength that supports your knees. Now here's how to combine these exercises into a simple daily strength routine. Start with a wall sit hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Then move into a glute bridge hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Follow with a standing calf raise hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Next, perform a seated knee extension hold for 10 to 15 seconds per leg. And finish with the horse stance hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Do this daily, and you'll begin rebuilding the strength and stability your body needs to stay active and confident. If you want stronger muscles and more stability after 50, watch this next video. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.